thank you for coming out to hear about conflict in organizations today. Okay, let's talk about the definition of conflict. Conflict is a process, so it's dynamic. So you talked about some issues here about dealing with other cultures, dealing with people who have other values, and so this is a dynamic thing. It's constantly moving, so it's not static. And remember this, if one side does not want to resolve the conflict, it's not going to get resolved, right? So you can only do your part. What is at the heart of conflict? Well, there are a lot of reasons for conflict. My view is that the prevalent one is fear. So I'm going to have us do a little exercise with this, and this will be kind of fun. So we need pairs. These are sort of in pairs. So let's have a little fun with this. So who had no solutions? Okay.
Would that be marketing?
So that's very creative. And so clearly the point here is that you can have radically different views of something that is one object, and people have completely different views of it. If you can ask, where are you coming from? What's your sense of this? Would something like that help? What are your processes for bringing out those different viewpoints? Do you have a process that asks questions? Well, are these all the possible solutions, or is there something unique or creative that we can do, and to bring those things out?
Right. So that aspect of just being heard is so important, and oftentimes you'll hear about people saying, "Well, they wouldn't even listen to me. They wouldn't even listen to me." And so if you think about that, that issue of just being heard. So if you're in management, just listen to them. Maybe that's all they need. Come on up here. Okay, so what is your issue?
I have too much stuff to do at work and at home as well, and at work. I'm doing two people's job and it's not easy.
Okay, so what you're telling me is that you have a lot of work because some people have left the area, and this is causing some problems at home, and it's very difficult, and you don't like it.
No.
Okay, is there more?
I can go on and on.
What that was called is mirroring dialogue, and it's something that comes from imago therapy. And it's a thing that I get back to is, in terms of leadership, you ask, what is leadership? To me, leadership is focus. Okay. Anything else? Is there more? Okay, thanks a lot.